to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So you guys know that I've had custom floor mats in my Maserati since December of 2017 with Spartan Auto Tech. I've been using the custom floor mats, so they're fireproof and they're waterproof. Now, I never checked out the fireproof part before. I always did the waterproof part as a demonstration, but this time I'm gonna try to set them on fire. Now, disclaimer, kids or adults, do not try this at home. This is also going to be a good opportunity for me to review these floor mats for you guys too, so you can see how they've held up for the past year and a half. You can also see all the different styles that they have on their website. I'll link you guys as always and show you. But there's not just for Maserati. Audi, BMW, Mercedes, Porsche, they have all the high-end brands, and they have floor mats for even Tesla, stuff like that are newer. So I'm going to show you guys that, but first you guys see if you like them. First you guys see if they do what they're supposed to do, waterproof and fireproof, and make sure that they actually last over the next year and a half, 2 years, 3 years, however long you're gonna have them. So I wanna show you guys how mine have held up and actually put them to the test. So let's see what's up. Now, if you guys aren't familiar, the style that I have is called Black Knight, and it's got this kind of carbon look for it. There's the Spartan logo, and here is the floor mat. Now, I tried to keep this as authentic as possible by not cleaning it and keeping it somewhat dirty so you can see how well it holds up. Once I pour the water on it, I'll be able to wipe it off so you'll see how well it cleans up. But this is it. Now, my biggest gripe about this specific floor mat is that it covers up my dead pedal. So as you can see, obviously I want everything protected as far as, you know, my carpet and everything under there. But underneath I have this perfectly nice Maserati dead pedal that's actually covered up. So that's the only gripe I have with this mat here. But you can see all the areas that it covers. It goes all the way under. I mean, and you're really protected with this thing. So I kind of wanted to show you guys who aren't familiar with this, what it would look like. They are shaped to the specific car. They do these to order, so it's something that you will have to wait on once you do order them because they're specific to that car at the time. So these aren't something that, you know, fit to made for everybody. This is for this car specifically. So I have this on the driver's side. Let's check out the passenger side and then the back seat, because the back seat is one big piece. You have three pieces, one up front on the driver's side, another up front on the passenger side, and the rear piece. So let's check those. Now, looking here on the passenger side, same kind of coverage all the way through. Now, I don't have mine all the way in. Some of them are kind of buckled in, but you see they're kind of clipped in by these little clips that hold them tight to where they need to go. So you see this is specifically made for this car to where it goes around here and it holds in via that clip there. So there's a bunch of them that go along here. I just haven't had them all clipped in like that. So you see there's a clip here. I just didn't put it on correctly because I barely have, you know, people on this. I didn't just put it in. But as you can see that there's a clip here. I just don't have it on all the way. I'm gonna remove it in just a second anyways. But I kind of wanted to just show you guys how it's supposed to look when it is in, so you see, you know, what you're protecting. Because with these cars, your stock floor mats are not cheap and they get dirty really quickly. So this is a good alternative just in case you're trying to look at something a little different. But same with the styling and everything like that. So I'll have you check out the website, see what you think. But they have all kinds of different colors and patterns for you guys too to match it up with your specific car. Now, the back seat here is important for me because I do have an 8-year-old. She normally sits on this side, so you see a little bit of grunge and dinge, but nothing crazy because you know, the floor mat pretty much protects everything. You see it buckles under here and gets most of the coverage, even on the side here, on the side sill, gets everything there. So if you have kids or passengers and you want to keep your mats clean, the rear is definitely going to be one of those things to where you're going to need that kind of coverage, or you're going to want it. I like this because it's one big piece and it goes over even the center piece here too. So even if you have a small third seat passenger, they can put their feet up here and you won't have to worry as much as that carpet getting dirty as well. But as you can see, they've held up pretty good over the past year and a half. I've had it, like I said, December 17th, or December 2017 is when I actually got these floor mats and put them in. But it was just that easy. So they're as easy to put in as they're easy to take out. So I mean, I'll just lift this up, lift the whole piece out and pull it out. But for what you've been waiting for, let's test them out and see if they actually work. All right, so I'm gonna go with the driver's side All right, so I'm gonna pull out the driver's side floor mat and dump water all over it. One, because it needs to be clean, so might as well wipe it down after I do that and test it. Two, because I obviously use this one the most, so, you know, why not? So we'll pull this out here so you guys can see it and see how it turned out over this past year. So I'm just gonna lift these pieces out, and who knows how well I'll be able to do this with one hand. This might be a two-hand job. I did say it was easy, but yeah, it's one of those things to where you might need both hands. So let's see if I can just kind of rip it from under here. And, okay, so with one hand, look at that. So I'm gonna do my best to just fold this over so I don't spill all the crumbs. All right, so we'll set that down right there, but look at underneath here, pretty clean. Couple of crumbs here and there, but nothing crazy, just a little bit, but everything's protected, which is very nice. Now, all right, just to show you guys here, pretty quality material on the underside. Didn't really skimp out there when they did that, so I'm just gonna dump this right on top. Just like that. So you see the water's just floating on top. And I mean, I'm gonna pull this up in a second so you guys can see in real time so you don't think I'm messing with you. And so you can see that it doesn't leak through. Just kind of wish it around a little bit. Now you see that spilling over. So that doesn't count. But look at under it. Nothing. Look at the underbody. We kind of put it in the sun. Nothing. All the water is right up top there. That's it. It stays on it. So all I would do, dump it out like that. Easy to clean, because what you're gonna do is you can dump water like I did. You can spray it down with the water hose and then take your rag and just wipe it down. So get all the dirt, get all the grime, and that's that. Just like that, it's clean. All right, so again, disclaimer, do not try this at home. The wind is kind of crazy, so I'm gonna see if this will be okay for the flame. I'm just gonna try to light it from right here, see what happens. So you guys will be able to see here. Let's make sure that there's a flame here. There we go, you see it? I found the best way to try to get this thing in, angle it in, and just kind of swoop it underneath. So just pull, make sure it's all tucked in, and just like that with one hand, tuck it under, bam, it's in there. Now I'm probably gonna regret this later, but again, do not try this at home, guys. We're gonna try it right here, inside of the car, nothing. Just so you guys believe me, it's harder to see it outside. These things are not catching at all. That's cool. Well, I didn't burn down my Maserati today. Obviously, I didn't have a flamethrower or anything.
It'd be a lot cooler if you did.
But a small lighter with fire, obviously if I did that to my normal Maserati floor mats, they would probably catch up very quickly. So who has ever said that they tried to light their Maserati floor mats on fire? You know, had to try it out, and because I'm standing behind this product, I don't stand behind bullshit. I stand behind stuff that I use. I've been using this for, like I said, almost a year and a half. So I had to show it off and support the boys at Spartan Auto Tech, because this is what they got for me. I love these mats, and I want to spread on that word and help them out with their business as well. So hey, do good by me, I'll do good by you. We're all trying to make it in this world. So if you guys want to check out Spartan Auto Tech's website, Spartan Auto USA, what I'll do is I'll save you guys a click. What I'm going to do is on the side of the car here, look right now, I'm going to let you see all the different brands of automakers that they have stuff for. So floor mats and everything for. Before my floor mat rolls away, all Alright guys, so you have a car that is in that list of automakers there. Definitely go check out the website, see if there's something there that you can find as far as a floor mat or trunk mat that will fit your needs. If you have a family, if you have pets or anything, and you want to keep your car clean, definitely check it out and, you know, let me know what you guys think. Put in that Ron's Rides coupon code and that will get you some money off. So if you guys want to do that, I appreciate the support. Again, shout out to Spartan Auto Tech for letting me represent the brand. Thank you so much guys for checking out the video, spending your time with me today. Hopefully you enjoyed it and you saw something new that you might like. If you do, definitely hit that like button. It helps out the videos, gets it up in the rankings. Subscribe for more Ron's Rides videos and click that notification bell so you can get the videos right there in your inbox ready to go. Check out the links in the description, Patreon, you have that. You have one-time donation for PayPal, you have my social media links, and you have the Spartan Auto Tech with the install video link so you know how to install your floor mats as well, which should be pretty simple for you guys. But with that said, comment down below, what do you guys think? Do you like the style that I have, or would you do something else? Or do you not really like custom floor mats? Do you like to keep everything authentic and just take your chances on, you know, maybe messing up your floor mats over time and just buying new ones? I want to know what you guys normally do. But with that said, you guys be blessed, be easy, and we'll talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. We'll see you then. Be good. Peace.